Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products on the market to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're excited to introduce you to what we believe is the best flame illusion on the market, the Fire Module LED Flame Light. If you're looking for an innovative way to enhance your home decor, party ambiance, or outdoor gatherings, then this product is for you. The Fire Module LED Flame Light comes in a convenient 2-pack and is designed to create a stunning flame effect without the hazards of real fire. Imagine enjoying the warm, flickering glow of a flame without any worries about smoke, fire hazards, or the need for constant replacement of candles. This product is perfect for those cozy nights in, festive occasions, or even outdoor camping adventures. Let's take a closer look at the design and features of these flame lights. Each lamp boasts a sleek and modern look, with a sturdy aluminum base that not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also contributes to its durability. Measuring 5.12 inches in diameter and just 2.7 inches wide, these lights are compact enough to fit on any table or shelf, making them a versatile addition to your decor. One of the standout features of the Fire Module is its multiple lighting modes. With dynamic flaming mode, static mode, gradual change mode, and a gravity sensor mode, you can easily switch between settings to create the perfect ambiance for any occasion. Whether you want a romantic dinner setting or a vibrant outdoor party, these lights have you covered. Moreover, the Fire Module is designed with user convenience in mind. The included remote control allows you to change settings, adjust brightness, and even set a timer from the comfort of your couch or bed. You can program the lights to automatically turn off after 1 to 4 hours, saving energy and ensuring you never have to worry about leaving them on. Now, let's talk about power. The Fire Module is USB rechargeable, providing up to 8 hours of use after just 2 hours of charging. You can easily recharge these lights using your laptop, power bank, or any USB port, making them incredibly convenient for outdoor use. Safety is another major concern with lighting products, and the Fire Module has you covered there as well. With an IP44 waterproof rating, these lights can withstand the elements, making them suitable for outdoor use during snowy or rainy weather. You can enjoy the enchanting flame effect without worrying about water damage. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a flame illusion that combines style, convenience, and safety, the Fire Module LED Flame Light is an excellent choice. With its striking design, multiple modes, and easy-to-use features, it truly stands out as the best flame illusion on the market. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and recommendations. If you have any questions about the Fire Module or any other products you'd like us to cover, drop a comment below. Until next time, happy decorating!